welcome back to another episode of See You Slurps MSG Mondays. So Kylie Jenner made ramen a couple of years ago, and for some reason it's making waves again on TikTok. It's been requested that I try making my own version of the Kylie Jenner ramen. She usually puts garlic powder in hers and a bit of egg to make it nice and creamy and a bit of butter at the end. But I'm gonna do lots of garlic in mine, tons of flavor, because usually minced noodles, they're pretty bland. You might not like it, judge all you want, but let's just give it a try, guys. Let's go. So we got the Kylie Jenner ramen, my take. This is the finished product. Let's go give it a try. Really cheap noodles here. You're not gonna get much chew in it. These noodles are usually really soggy, but it's souped up a lot with both the fresh garlic and also crispy fried garlic. I added some nice fresh scallions on top there, and of course a nice pat of butter, a little bit of that extra chicken flavor in there as well to really bring it all together. I hope you guys enjoyed my version of the Kylie Jenner ramen today. Hope you enjoyed this ramen hack. Don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that little notification bell so you don't miss any videos that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!